Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, me and my group will presenting to you our project proposal for TPT600 transport mini project. So our project name is CARPOOLER app. So this video is prepared for Dr. AZIMAH binti DAUD. Okay, next let me introduce to you our group member. First we have Daniel Bob, and then Ilhan Farique, IKHWAN HAKIMI, AMIR IZZAT, and also me myself, FITRI AZIM. For the introduction, for the first point is the importance of sustainable transports. Carpool apps idea is to carpool. So as you all know, carpooling is also one of the sustainable transport. So why sustainable transport is important? It is because to reduce environmental degradation, climate change, and also to enhance urban livability. For the second point is the benefit of carpooling. So what is the benefit of carpooling? First is decreasing fuel consumption, so we can save more money on gas, and then lowering greenhouse gas emission to reduce air pollution, and then to ease traffic congestion. For the last point is what government and urban planners can do. So what they can do is incentivize carpooling through dedicated high occupancy vehicle (HOV) lanes, subsidies, and employer-based ride sharing programs.
Okay, for now let's move to the concept, proposal and clarity of idea. Firstly, the clarity of the project concept. The CARPOOLER app is designed to be simple, user-friendly and effective. It has a basic GPS integration and carpool scheduling function, which make it easy for users to connect with others who share similar routes and schedule. Some of the key features of CARPOOLER app includes user profile, which display driving schedule, routes and available seats. Other than that, it shows GPS-based matching, which help passenger find driver based on proximity and timing. It also has designated parking spots for carpooler users to park their car more efficiently. It also has a feedback system where users can rate their experience to ensure safety and reliability. This app is not just about convenience but also an eco-friendly, cost-effective and also alternative to the individual use of car. And now let's move to the relevance to current transport or logistic challenges. So, parking shortage are a common issue at most university campuses. Limited parking spaces often fail to meet the growing number of vehicles on campus, leading to wasted time spent searching for parking, increased emission and cars circling around the campus, and also traffic congestion around the campus area. So, this CARPOOLER app offers a sustainable solution to all these problems. A study in Islamabad, Pakistan found that carpooling could reduce the number of private vehicles by 33.6% and decrease greenhouse emission by 0.84 to 0.58 metric tons annually by reducing the needs for more parking structure. This CARPOOLER app can help to reduce the number of cars circling around the campus, and it also lowers traffic congestion and emission around the campus area, and finally it cuts commuting costs for users to enter campus. Alright, now we move to the innovation and practicality of the idea. While carpooling is not new, the CARPOOLER app innovates by streamlining the process. It also makes it easy for users to organize shared rides based on their schedule and routes. The app eliminates the need for manual coordination, making the carpooling process smooth and efficient. And in terms of practicality, the app uses basic GPS integration and simple ride matching algorithms, meaning it is easy to implement with affordable technology. CARPOOLER app is scalable, which can be expanded to other campuses as well. It is also low cost, both to develop and maintain the app. It is also accessible, which is easy for users to adopt with no significant technical barriers.
Next, I would like to highlight a problem statement at UiTM Puncak Alam. The severe shortage of parking space on campus, especially during peak hours. This shortage leads to daily congestion, wasted time, and high stress among students and staff. Many arrive late to class or meeting simply because they spend too long searching for a parking spot. A major cause of the problem is the higher number of single occupancy vehicles. With most students driving alone, parking spaces are being used inefficiently and remain occupied for long periods. This not only affects time management, but also lower the overall quality of campus life. Beyond that, the increase in vehicle usage has serious environmental consequences. More cars mean more carbon emission, which contribute to air pollution and lower the air quality on campus. Students who enjoy outdoor activities are especially affected as the environment becomes less healthy and enjoyable. Another major problem at UiTM Puncak Alam is the limited access to public transportation. Many students who live off campus are forced to drive their own vehicle because bus services are either too few or unreliable. The ZUT currently operates only 2 buses and they often do not follow the scheduled times, making them an unreliable option for students. As a result, most students drive to campus, only to face parking shortage and high stress level as they struggle to find parking. This leads to unproductive time wasted just searching for a spot, and it adds to the daily frustration of campus life. While carpooling has been identified as a possible solution, there's currently no proper system or app in place to support it. Students who are willing to share rides often don't know who else is going their way. This is a key barrier to adopting carpooling on a large scale. To address this, UiTM must consider developing or outsourcing a carpooling app designed especially for campus use. The app should be simple, lightweight, and match student schedules and needs. With the right digital solution, we can make carpooling accessible and effective. This will reduce traffic, easy parking issue, and improve overall student experience on campus.
Now, let's discuss the stakeholders analysis involved in this project. These are the people and groups who will either benefit or play a role in making this app a success. First, we have the student, the primary user of the app. These are the people who will benefit directly from the carpool system. Their role is simple. They will use the app to find reliable carpool partners. Their expectation is need an app that is easy to use, safe and cost effective. After all, their main concern is saving time and reducing costs. Next, we have the UiTM administration. These are the decision makers who will ensure that the project aligns with UiTM sustainability and student welfare goals. Their role is crucial in approving and overseeing the app implementation on the campus. The administration needs this project to be practical, efficient and cost effective. Moving on to the next stakeholder, which is UiTM Student Association. These are the voice of the student body and they can play a huge role in promoting the app to their peers. Their involvement will help encourage more students to use the app and make it a success. They want to support a solution that benefits students by making their commutes easier and more affordable. Finally, we have the local community around UiTM. This group is directly affected by the traffic congestion caused by campus parking. They need the app to help reduce traffic, make the area quieter and improve overall road safety. The app's success will not only benefit students but also create a better living environment for the local community. So, we have interviewed and prepared 6 questions for stakeholders to answer regarding these carpool apps. So, the question provided for student carpool users have 2 of them. The first one is, how does the current parking issue affect your daily commute? And the second is, what features will you expect from an easy-to-use carpool apps? Next, question for UiTM administration have one, which is, how can the carpool app improve campus traffic management and parking problems? Moving on to UiTM Student Associations, we also have one question. So the question is, what will make the student feel more encouraged to try the apps? Lastly, the local community. We provide them with 2 questions. The first one is, how does the campus parking situation affect traffic in the surrounding community? So the second question is, how can the carpool app reduce local traffic congestion and improve road safety?
Assalamualaikum, my name is MUHAMAD and I will explain about our apps market insight. Firstly, why student UiTM Puncak Alam needs the CARPOOLER apps. As you can see, the current need issues point. The first main issue is full parking lots. UiTM students and staff face major issues with full parking lots, especially during peak hours, causing them to lateness and stress. Next, limited public transport. Although UiTM provide free bus services, but it cannot accommodate the increasing number of students during the year. Lastly, no dedicated carpooling system. There is no dedicated campus-wide carpooling system. Also, informal arrangements are unreliable. Next is student feedback snapshot. The first one is what the student really want is easy scheduling, real-time tracking, and safety verifications. However, what the student really needs is cheaper rides, smoother parking, and stressless. Next, I will explain about opportunity gap. In the existing apps, platform like Grab or Uber, it was a bit expensive for some students and not student-specific. Animal Ride also exists, which are CARPOOLER website. However, it was web only and not mobile app platform. Also, it was limited for a certain university like MMU and Sunway University. Lastly, ways carpool failed due to poor adaptations and always mistake in route match. Next, I will explain about what students like for our app features. Our app features are verified student-only access, which using university email and ID, gender filter for female-only ride options, a smooth in-app scheduling and fast GPS tracking. Also, we will add driver and passenger ratings, and one-time password, OTP safety, and face verification for our app security account. And lastly, cost-saving feature, which are low fare. Next, I will show our research and survey from stakeholder analysis, which are students, UiTM administrations, student associations, and local community. Firstly, survey highlight from UiTM Puncak Alam student. They said that the parking issue is the problem they face every day. They said that these issues will make them late to go to the classes and stress them out. Also, it was waste of their time circling to find for a parking spot. In terms of what UiTM administrations want, they want a better campus traffic flow. Lower car volumes means less congestions in the UiTMs, and low-cost solution that leads to eco-friendly environment. In terms of student associations aims, they aims to promote student well-being, which means the student mental brightness because of stress. Also, safe transport means zero accident occurred in or out of UiTM. Lastly, local community needs is a fewer outsiders parking on a residential road that can lead to an accident, and safer and less congestions in the neighborhoods. In my opinion, a dedicated carpooling app aligns well with students, university, and local community needs and supports a cleaner, more organized campus environment. So that is just from me. I will pass this presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Lastly, for the conclusion, the carpooler apps offer a smart and practical solution to the transportation and parking issues students and staff currently face at UiTM Puncak Alam. By encouraging community-based carpooling, the apps not only ease campus congestion and parking shortage, but also support our commitment and sustainability by reducing emission and fuel consumption. In addition, the app is designed with safety, affordability, and ease of use in mind, exactly what our students and staff value the most. Backed by the strong support from both the university and local community, this initiative has the potential to reshape how students commute and bring a lasting improvement to campus life. With the right promotion and active collaboration, the stakeholders and the carpooler apps can succeed, not just as transport solution, but also as model of sustainable innovation for other institutions to follow. Thank you. That's all from us. Thank you.